Hello and welcome to the Vlogging Pod. Today I want to dive into how federal judges can appoint their own officers of the court to enforce orders against the administration that control the Department of Justice and may be defying judicial mandates. In the United States, the judiciary relies on the executive branch, particularly the Department of Justice, DOJ, and the U.S. Marshals Services to enforce its orders. This independence ensures that court decisions are implemented effectively. However, challenges arise when the administration, which oversees these enforcement agencies, choose to defy or disregard court orders. This scenario raises concerns about the balance of power and the rule of law. One mechanism at a judge's disposal is the appointment of a special master. According to Rule 53 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, a special master can be appointed to handle various duties, such as overseeing complex litigation aspects or ensuring compliance with court orders. Essentially, a special master acts as an extension of the court to facilitate specific functions. However, it's crucial to understand that a special master does not possess independent enforcement powers. They cannot, for instance, unilaterally arrest or detain individuals. Their role is more oversight and reporting back to the judge. Enforcement actions, such as arrests or detentions, traditionally fall under the purview of an executive branch, specifically agencies like the U.S. Marshals, which operates under the DOJ. This dependency becomes problematic when the DOJ, under the administration's control, refuses to act against its officials. In such cases, the judiciary's enforcement mechanisms are severely constrained. While courts can issue contempt orders or impose fines on non-compliant officials, the actual executive of these sanctions typically requires cooperation from executive agencies. If this cooperation is withheld, the courts face significant challenges in upholding their authority. Historically, there has been instances where administrations have resisted judicial orders, leading to constitutional confrontations. For example, during the disregard era, some state officials defied federal court mandates, prompting federal intervention to uphold the rule of law. However, when the defiance comes from within the federal executive branch itself, the situation becomes more complex and perilous for the constitutional balance. In conclusion, while federal judges have tools like appointing special masters to monitor and report on compliance, the lack of independent enforcement powers to act against an administration that controls the DOJ and chooses to defy court orders, well, this underscores the importance of adherence to the rule of law and the need for all branches of government to respect judicial decisions to maintain the checks and balance integral to our democracy. Thank you, as always, for listening in. Tonight's resources come from Legal Informative Institution, NPR, United States Courts, U.S. Courts, Congress, Cornell, WPBF, FJC, CATO, and the Democracy Docket, Wikipedia, Maynard Dessex, Core Appointable Neutrals, Perennial Central, Just Security, Sidley. Until next time, bye-bye for now.